So I'm here to take you through Corbett Maths 5 a day, foundation level for the 3rd of March. So here we have a question where we've got a prism and it says find the volume of the prism. Well, if you weren't sure it was a prism, then the question certainly tells you that. So here we kind of need to know, well, what is the formula? There is a rule around this. So what is that rule? Well, you just got to remember this, and it is the volume of a prism is the area of cross-section times the length. Now, a prism is a shape, a 3D shape that has what we call a consistent cross-section. So wherever you kind of like, if you were to sort of slice it in half, you would get exactly the same shape. So for example, a cylinder, you could think of like your Swiss roll cake or something. Wherever you cut it, you're always going to get a circle as your cross-section. So here, what is our cross-section? Well, our cross-section are going to get things like triangle, a square, a rectangle, maybe a circle. Sometimes you get trapeziums as well. So we know it's a triangle. And then, well, actually, how do we find the area of a triangle? It's actually half base times its height. So there's the base, which is 7. The height is 6 centimeters, and it's always what we call the perpendicular height. It's the height that meets the base at a right angle, that good old word perpendicular. And then the length is this 20 here. So literally all we need to do then is we've stated our formula, and then we can work out, well, what are these values? So we've got a half times 7 times 6, which is 21, and then multiply that by the length, which is 20. Always a good idea with questions like this to double check that the units are all the same. If not, you might have to convert them. But for here, the answer is 420 centimeters cubed, because it's a 3D shape, it's a volume, so it's cubic centimeters. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.